Today's topic is about the project for exploitation of the Darmakan deposit of quartz, sand, and building of the mountain concentrating industrial complex with a line on manufacture of sheet glass and empties. The initiator of this project is Darmakan Limited Liability Company under License Agreement Series BLG number 01941 TE from July 6, 2007 till December 31st, 2032. The Darmakan deposit of quartz sand is located in the territory of the Amur region in Bureshki area at the distance of 5 kilometers from Vinogradovka. It is close up the towns of Raichehisk and Progress. The amount of quartz supply of the Darmakan deposit is more than 45 million meters cubed. Advantages of this project to build the mountain concentrating industrial complex and glass factory on the Darmakan deposit in comparison with the other deposits are: 1. High technological sand properties of a deposit. 2. Possibility of sand extraction in the open way. Good transport approaches, automobile and railways are available. Possibility to send output of the factory through Boyarkovo's trade port. 3. Availability of hydroelectric and heat power stations, the capacity of which allows to create a large industrial enterprise. There will be the possibility to use natural gas in production. During production of the Eastern Siberian Pacific Ocean pipeline, only natural gas will be used. Realization of the given project on building of mountain concentrating industrial complex and glass factory will allow to use modern technologies and to create a wide traditional infrastructure. At present, semi-production tests have been examined by 2 independent institutes. A conducted analysis of the enrichment methods for glass sand shows that the combined method, including washing and the subsequent classification of sand on the working fraction -0, 8 plus 0, 1 millimeter, is more effective. Use of this project is preferable than the other one because this scheme of enrichment doesn't propose to use chemical preparations, therefore there is no harm to ecology. Additional sewage treatment isn't required. According to the conducted chemical and technological investigations, the received sand concentration after enrichment is suitable for manufacture of sheet, laboratory, medical, and perfumery glass fiber. It also has the highest category suitable for manufacture of glassware, electronic techniques, lighting alarm glass, silicates of sodium. 1 part of the produced concentration will be realized by consumers. The other part will be used by owners. The planned glass factory will produce sheet glass of high quality, the thickness of which is 3 to 15 millimeters, and the maximum size of the sheet is 3,300 millimeters by 5,000 millimeters. Besides the manufacture of empties in volume 02-05 is being planned. The projected mountain enterprise will consist of 3 main elements. 1. Sand pit, an open cast mine on sand extraction. 2. Concentrating complex. 3. Glass factory. The capacity of the glass factory is 300,000 tons of glass per year. The main kinds of output are: 1. Not enriched sand after extraction from an open cast mine. 2. Forming sand. The sand past the first stage of cleaning. 3. Glass concentration. 4. Sheet glass. 5. Empties. To date, float glass in DFO is delivered from Novosibirsk and China. The volume of exports from China in 2009 amounted to 90,000 tons, that of us to 9 million square meters glass. According to experts, the need for DFO in sheet stack LE is 190 tons. As for the market production of glass, the glass jars in a segment needs consumers' superior production capabilities. The main consumer products are canneries and factories producing alcoholic beverages, Baltic distilleries. Implementation of the project can be divided into several stages. 1. Construction of physical infrastructure. The start of construction no later than 31/12/2011. 2. Commissioning of mining processing complex, December 31st, 2012. 3. Installation of production lines for glass and glass to December 2014. 4. The industrial launch of production lines for glass and glass, May 2015. 5. Exit the glass factory at full capacity, June 2015. The total amount of investments into this project. The main source of the financial capital includes own means, external investments at the rate of investments into manufacture creation will be carried out in 2 stages. 1. Since the third quarter of 2011 for the fourth quarter 2012, inclusive on the building of infrastructure and mounting concentration industrial complex. 2. Since the first quarter of 2013 for the fourth quarter of 2014, inclusive on the building of glass factory. It is planned to involve investments on conditions of payment and repayment. The general period of using external financing is 7.5 years. Full return of investments to the second quarter 2018. As a result, to the fourth quarter 2020, the profit margins will make the profitability of sales after repayment of investments will be average 54%, actives 16%. Circulating activities will make 0.3%, liquidity 76%. That characterizes steady financial conditions of the enterprise after repayment of investments. The cost of the company under the balance data on the 1/01/2021, it is possible to show the schedule of incomes and project expenses, project profit. The project has a high investment appeal. A time of recovery of outlay is 8.7 years. The project also has a high budgetary and social efficiency. Besides, 217 supplementary workplaces with worthy and timely payment of salary will be created. That allows to reduce the social and economic intensity in the region. Due to the building, GOK and glass factory, new technologies will be involved to the region. It will raise the investment appeal of the region.